New England Firearms 20 gauge single shot disassembly. Well, if you blink, you're going to miss it. This is how simple it is. You got one screw, and that's all it is. You need a Phillips screwdriver. Take that out of there. Make sure you got it action closed. Pull this piece off here. Open the action. Then pull the barrel. There you go. You got all the pieces there you need to clean. And or you can get inside there and clean it out. There is a little rust, a little bit of blemish in there. It looks a little worse on the camera, but it ain't much actually. Just got it oiled. And well, that's simple. Put it back together, just simple. Put it up rock area. Get it held on that release. Then close the action once you get it on there. Then you close the action. Reinstall the stock. Put the screw back in it. Then there you go. Let's start to my covers. And it's done. Thank you for watching. How to dismantle the H&R 20 gauge single action.